What is up, quackers? So today, what we're going to quack about is a little investment I had, only 4.5 Ethereum. I had bought it down in the 450s, 460s. You can see here, blah, 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 yeah. I had bought it down here, and I think I'm about ready to sell. I don't know. There's a kind of a triangle right here pointing upwards, an ascending triangle after the sell-off. That's somewhat bullish, and I don't know. Let's sell a little bit of it though. Let's sell 500 of it. Or actually, no. Let's just do 1 ether. See that right there? That's a bullish signal. Unless that goes away, I'm selling. Uh-oh. Get rid of it. Let's get rid of it all. So yeah, there you have it. I got rid of it. A little fee there because I didn't mark it, but I wanted to get out. See, it might jump back up because see how little the volume is. See, this is how you trade this. If you're ever, if you can get those limit orders out fast enough, you can get it like right here. You can pick some up right there. Wait for your limit orders get touched, boom, and then it's so light volume that you see how little these numbers are. It's gonna be just bouncing around like crazy, and every time you see a larger number on the bottom side. So like for example, it's kind of crazy right now. We gotta wait. But anytime you see a larger volume that's holding up the price on the bottom side, the green side, which actually a less price than what the market is, the lower side, then that's actually it's almost like a it's almost like a hand pushing it up. It's keeping the price from going down. So that's when you'll see this higher volume. Like up here, this is obviously the 500 mark. Whole numbers are typically where it's going to be held up at, and it'll hold that up. But it also works the other way around. This price can be climbing, volumes pouring in, but then right here at the 511, 512. That whole number right there, which it's not so much of the whole number. I'm kind of surprised that it's kind of obscurely right there, but that's where you'll see like that volume on the opposite side, like right here, that's holding it down. So right now these guys, it's almost like there's a battle right now, and there's higher volume right here, so you're more likely to push this price down because these guys, you got to remember that the limit orders on GDAX are free of fees. So a lot of these, it can be algo, it could be humans, and they're trying to get a good price. But if this gets too thin, like right now, it's getting taken up. The price is going down. Then these guys say screw it. They push limit, or there's a bot that pushes limit, or they're just little sell-offs. Like the volume disappears down here, and that's how you get that lower price. That's how you get those jumps downward. So that's kind of how you trade. I don't know. I'd watched it go all the way to 25, and I saw it kind of pull back, and I was like, I'll get rid of it. I could probably get it for a lower price, closer to 500 or 480 or something like that. I don't know. I typically like to buy when it's red as hell, meaning like, here, I'll show you. I was buying down here. I was buying right here a little bit, and then I bought a little more right here. I like to buy on those really ugly looking days, so to speak. I freaking should have sold up here, but this was short lived. I remember when this happened. I actually didn't have any limit orders out because I wasn't even sure where to put it. I was expecting a bigger bullish move, to be honest, but it didn't happen. It's okay. But yeah, this is kind of how I trade. Don't have any Bitcoin right now. I used to trade Bitcoin like crazy, but honestly, it's so green lately that I had some limit orders trying to get some down here, but never got filled. It's so green that it's a little bit harder to trade personally. And then we got Litecoin. Man, this thing ran, but like I said, it's hard to trade this. I don't like trading that green. I like it. One of the fundamental things behind me trading, which has led to some of my success, is buying crypto in red. When it's going down, people are freaking out. People are looking at it saying, "Oh, it's shit. It's not going to go anywhere." Their eyes are always on the green. The green has already happened. That's the thing. Typically when people are looking at a green, yeah, it might have a little more spurt in it, but like right now, like, oh, people are freaking out, and people start buying right here. That's where a majority of the hype you hear, and then it goes on its downtrend. You know, a lot of the time, you know, for example, Litecoin,